So I replaced the wheels on this screen door not too long ago. Got these plastic wheels from Amazon and they just went to crap. So I'm gonna try to replace it with some that wasn't really meant to go on here. So it's these. No, they're not meant for this style, but I wanted to try it anyway. See if we can make it work. Not really sure how to mount it just yet, but let me take this off and then we'll figure out how to mount it to that. Now we can pull this off. And there we have it. So let's see. Let's go here. Can it go just like that? No, it's kind of pushes it against that side. I wonder if the hole is bigger to allow that to swing down. But that fixed the issue because it's hitting that part right here. But if I can cut that part, I have these, but I don't know if I can get in like I need to. Yeah. That's good enough. Yeah. There we go. All right, I actually think this came out pretty good. I think it's gonna work well. I hope. The beauty of doing things by yourself is, sometimes, it's a lot cheaper to do it yourself plus buy the tools in some cases. Like if you're trying to fix a certain thing or work on a certain thing and say someone's going to charge you $200 for something that you can go buy tools for $150 plus the materials you need to fix it, and it's still cheaper than what they were going to charge you. And then those tools can be used for other projects down the line. So that's why I like doing stuff myself, and it's cheaper in the long run. Let's bust out this here, fix the screen door. So this piece came out, so we can use this to push it in, or you can use the roll part of it, push it in. Either or. But I noticed it was coming up.